Binigyang diin naman ni Iranon Corridor Chairperson parang Mayor Kahar Ibay na dapat ang mga halal product ay galing mismo sa bayan ng Matanog at Maguindanao del Norte. Lubos na ipinahayag ni Mayor Ibay ang kanyang pasasalamat sa mga bisita at mga investors na dumalo sa ginanap na conference at groundbreaking ceremony ng Matanog Special Economic Zone sa bayan ngayong araw.
I really admire my friend Dato Jack Yak. No more talking, just action. So I really admire you. When we are in Malaysia, together with the Iranon mayors, we are talking a lot. We are dreaming that someday our province of Maguindanao, particularly in the Iranon Corridor, will be yung pong sinasabi na from war zone to economic zone. So maraming mga plano na gustong gawin kasi that was a 4 days visit in Malaysia. So nung from Singapore going to Kuala Lumpur, marami kong pinag-usapan ni Dato Jack. Kaya marami rin akong na-experience na mga kausap, pero more talking, puro action. But this time I really admire, no? Sabi ko kay Dato Jack, kailangan namin ng action, no? So thank you Dato Jack for this groundbreaking of the Bangsamoro Halal Park, no? Ultimately, yung mga sinasabi na from war zone ay nare-realize natin. So, kailangan talaga natin magkaisa at magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa ating lugar. So, welcome ating mga bisita, the Malaysian delegation. Thank you for coming to the Bar region. So, we really appreciate your business venture in our area. Hopefully, this will be a very prosperous business.